Bird dogging. Understanding the phrase. Hello and welcome to today's English language lesson. We're going to explore a fascinating phrase, bird dogging. This term might sound strange at first, but it's a colorful part of the English language. Today, we'll break down what it means, how it's used, and some examples to help you understand and use this phrase confidently. Let's dive in. The term bird dogging originally comes from hunting. A bird dog is a type of dog trained to hunt or retrieve birds. However, in everyday English, bird dogging means to follow, watch closely, or keep a close eye on something or someone. This can be done to ensure a task is completed, to observe something closely, or even to show persistent attention to someone or something. Now that we know what it means, let's see how bird dogging is used. This phrase is often used in a professional or work context. For example, our manager is bird dogging the progress of the new project. I've been bird dogging the real estate listings to find the perfect house. It can also be used in a more personal or informal context, like, ever since I lost my keys, I've been bird dogging my belongings. He's been bird dogging his favorite football team's performance this season. While bird dogging is not typically negative, it can sometimes imply excessive or overly attentive behavior. For instance, if someone says, "Stop bird dogging me," they might feel like they're being watched too closely. Understanding the nuances of this phrase is key to using it appropriately. That's all for our exploration of bird dogging. We hope this lesson has shed light on this interesting phrase and that you feel more confident using it in your English conversations. Remember, language is a window into culture, and phrases like bird dogging add color and depth to your understanding. Happy learning, and we'll see you in the next video.